In this video, I will show you how I cast on loose and without knots. I'm going to cast on 80 stitches. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. To cast on loose, I use a number 3 double point needle along with my circular needles. Instead of making a slip knot, I take my needles and do this. This is how I do it without a slip knot. And now I will show you in slow motion how this is done. I loop my working yarn over my index finger and the tail over my thumb. Then I take my needles, start on the top, and twist the yarn around. I bring it under and through the thumb loop, then over and through the finger loop, and then through the thumb loop again. Again, under and through, over and through, and then into the loop. Then I begin repeating this process until I have the number of stitches required. And now I'll double check my count by counting my stitches. I found I need to do one more. Now I remove my double point needle and I will show you how I join in the round without creating a knot. As I'm getting started, I like to adjust my yarn so it's out of the way and I have a clear working space. I don't use knots in my work. By avoiding knots, I find it creates a near flawless finish when weaving in your end. This is how I like to join for knitting in the round. Making sure my working yarn is in my right hand, I take the first stitch on the left needle and I slip it to the right needle. Then I take the first stitch on the right needle and pass it over the slip stitch and onto the left needle. Then I place my marker to mark my beginning of round. And now I can start knitting in pattern. The first round is always a little tighter. That's why I use the extra double point needle when I cast on. By not using a slip knot, you can pull the tail and tighten it up. And now I'll show you what it looks like on a nearly finished product. Thank you for watching. This is Kelly. Please visit me at thekikigallery.com or on Ravelry at kellyg232. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.